Hi, I'm Diana Hoffman, Active Healthy Lifestyles. I got the best news today. Today was my yearly physical with my doctor. He says, Diana, you looked at decades younger than people your age. Okay, so I had a girl the other day tell me, I want to be just like you. And I thought, what? They want to be like me? What is this? They want to be active and being able to move around like they are younger than what they are today. So if you are in your 30s and 40s and 50s, and if you want to be active and healthy, here's what you have to do. You have to eat clean, breathe clean air. You have to eat healthy, and you have to move every day. I do move every day. I am very active. That's how I got my name, Active Healthy Lifestyles. I want you to do that today. So if you want help in doing that, I'm the person you can come to. You can move every day, eat healthy every day, and breathe clean air with an air purifier. It's that easy. That's me, Diana Hoffman, and I want you to be decades younger than what you are. I want you to be 50 when you're in your 70s. That's what I want you to do. I want to be, when I'm 100, I want to be like I am now at 70. How about you?